Just got my mini fridge. Looks nice on the inside. Ice cube trays. The user's manual. This can be moved, taken out, or adjusted. I got a little shelf in here. Ice cube. A little freezer. Knob. Let's see if the ice cube tray fits. Fits in there good. Came with the scraper. I'm not sure what that is. User's guide. Was some damage to the corner. Not too happy about that. It's a little wonky. I don't know if that's supposed to be bent. Looks like more damage. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. It appears to be like that on the other side too. I don't know what this is. This was in it. I don't know what it's for. There it is.
Okay, I'll be reviewing this Upstream mini refrigerator. I put it in my son's room. He's always wanted a little fridge in his room, so I put it in here. He got really excited and went and bought some little high C things. He bought some of these some pickles. Got a little freezer up here. He also bought some frozen bananas, chocolate covered bananas for, but they didn't do real well in there. These, nice and cold, very refreshing. Pickles feel really good and cold. Everything's getting really cold. He's got it on setting 5, which is the highest setting. But like I said, in this freezer, I can feel there's some little frost forming on there, but it didn't really stay cold enough to keep his chocolate-covered bananas frozen. They were little packs you get at the store where they slice up the bananas and dip them in chocolate and put them in little pouches, kind of like these pickles. I ate one of them out of there, and it was really mushy. I mean, the chocolate held it together, but the banana inside was really mushy. It should be frozen. So, and that's to be expected on that kind of freezer, I think. That being said, they do give you an ice tray with it, which I haven't tried, but not sure what that little scraper's for either. But apparently it can freeze things, but it didn't keep those frozen. Then there's this tray. I think you're supposed to put it under the freezer part, but not a real big fridge. But if you just putting some drinks in there and stuff, it's going to do a great job. It's pretty quiet. Listen. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Here, we'll go back here. That's how much noise it makes. Really quiet. I can hear it, and if I was sleeping in here at night, I could probably hear it, but it wouldn't bother me. So, pretty good little fridge. I'll give it 4 stars.
You shouldn't be at Marshall Home Network Arena on Saturday.
Yeah.
And the nice thing is that's the same day as Super Saturday, so it's kind of a twofold thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's wonderful. Well, Megan, thank you so much for coming in.
Come back here, smoke back.
Oh, hey, Melanie.
Hi, Felicia. Gently for a deuce.
Got the box.